Hey friends, welcome to Esther's Royal Party Design if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Hello Kitty fun backdrop, and I am going to start off by putting this metal arch frame together. It also did come with a white backdrop cover, but what I'm doing right now is just trying to figure out how to put the pieces together. The one I have did come in a couple different stands, and so I'm just lining up the pieces. You do have the flexibility of choosing if you want it a bit taller and wider. I think I end up doing the medium type of frame. Right now you just see me screwing in the pieces, and then just keep watching, and then I'll show you some more of me getting the frame put together. And right here you see the full frame put together, and we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, this came with this white arch cover, so it's really easy to install. You simply just slide it over, and then you kind of want to make sure you line the creases up with the creases on the side, and then you just slide down the slip cover. And this is how it looks with the white cover installed. These are the balloons that I blew up, because I am using 260 balloons to put this garland together. I do have a couple videos showing you step by step how I blow up the balloons, how I tie them together. Check out some of the videos that I have in my description. Right now you just saw that I had a big balloon. I usually like to start off with those. I tie my 260 balloon onto that, and then I keep tying 260's balloon together when I run out of the length that I need. Right now I'm tying the balloons together, and then I simply kind of do a figure eight. It depends on how cooperative the balloons are. I'm doing 2 color clusters at a time, and once I do one, then I add in another color, and I keep wrapping them around to connect them. When I need some more length in my 260, I just tie another one onto it. And now I'm taking a clamp and a 260. I'm going to attach it onto here, and then I'm going to attach it onto my backdrop, because you'll see in just a second how I add the balloon garland onto this. And you want to spread them out in a few different places. So I ended up untying the 260 and decided to just go ahead and tie it around the balloon. So what you see right now is me tying the 260 around one of the balloons, and this is what helps hold it into place. Now that I have all the balloons attached to my garland, I'm just taking a bigger balloon and then attaching that as well. The same tactic, just wrapping it around one of the balloons on the balloon garland. Now these are my 5-inch balloon. Again, I will have a video and a link of how I make these and put them together step by step, so make sure you check that out. The 5-inch balloons I just wrap around my bigger balloons. I'm just taking them and stretching the 260 out and then finding a balloon to wrap them around. The good thing about the way that I put the 5-inch balloons together is that they are flexible. So once you get them wrapped around a balloon, you are able to move them and adjust them until you find a position that you like. Started putting up the Hello Kitty balloon by showing you what I did. Then the Hello Kitty balloon that you saw, I just attached it to one of the 5-inch balloons. It's a similar process. I have these beautiful flower balloons that came with the kit, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm using the glue dots, attaching it to the back of the flower, and then attaching the flower onto the backdrop to the balloon garland. I ended up taking that flower balloon off just temporarily at the top so I can add this happy birthday sign, and I'll put this in the description as well. And with this happy birthday sign, I love it because it's a neon sign, and you have the option with this one, you can put happy birthday side by side, and I found a way to rig it so I was able to put the happy birthday over each other. So I'm just adjusting the clips that it came with to add the happy birthday sign on the backdrop as well. This one has a couple of outlets, and you just plug them in to the adapter that it comes with, one piece at a time, and then you just plug it into the wall once you get your adapter. And here are the final results. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my video. Make sure you like this video. Don't forget to check the description for those additional videos, and have a royal day.